Now to a challenge to, from artificial intelligence to movie screens, to the 200 rupee price cap on movie tickets in Karnataka. Vasudha, the Karnataka High Court is hearing a petition from movie makers like the makers of movie Kantara 2 and others, challenging the government order capping movie tickets at 200 rupees. After hearing the arguments, the High Court has now reserved its orders, Vasudha.
That's right, Vida. The decision of the state government aimed at making movies in multiplexes and other halls affordable for the population has had a sharp pushback from distributors. States like Tamil Nadu have had a cap on movie tickets, but producers and distributors have argued that this affects their collections in the OTT era. Our colleague Deepak Bopanna has the details.
Now, in the previous budget, of course, the Karnataka government announced that they would be capping movie tickets at 200 rupees. At that point in time, of course, there were mixed reactions. Some of the multiplexes in particular, of course, were apprehensive, but they hadn't really, made a move. But when these rules, of course, got notified very recently, the Association of All India Multiplexes and a few other, entities, including Hombale Films, of course, which is the producer for the franchises like, Kantara, and Kantara 2, of course, is up for release in a couple of weeks from now, decided to, file a PIL in the Karnataka High Court. That was, of course, heard today. More importantly, while it was heard in the Karnataka High Court, several, observations were made by the court, and more importantly, the argument that came in from these entities was that this was an arbitrary move by the Karnataka government, because at the end of the day, if the customers want to pay more in case they want luxury, why should the government really interfere, was the question that they had raised. And they had also said that this will really impact the financial position of many of these entities. Now, as far as the High Court is concerned, it heard many of these petitions and also decided to club together some of the petitions that came by at the last moment as well, and has reserved its order. The orders have been, of course, reserved for an interim plea. The interim plea is that while the case, of course, is heard over a longer run, as of now, there should be an interim stay on these rules that have been imposed by the Karnataka government.